Wait just 1 second.
Seriously, we are on stage. You can't stay away from your phone for a few minutes?
Oh, come on. It's 2025. Who can survive without a phone?
Well, believe it or not, there was a time when people lived without mobile phones.
Seriously? No WhatsApp, no Instagram, no Reels. How even people talk to each other?
They actually spoke to each other and wrote letters and had so much fun.
Sounds like a history lesson, but more interesting.
Well, you don't have to imagine it because our super talented grade 4 taken on a journey showing like before and after without mobile phones.
So let's travel back in time and see how much life has changed. So be ready, life before and after mobile.
Fantasy, sha-na-na-na-na, oh-oh. Sweet as a harmony, sha-na-na-na-na, oh-oh. And she's a mystery, sha-na-na-na-na, oh-oh.
How families used to have meal time before the invention of the smartphone?
அதே காத்து வாசம் வேற, அதே மண்ணு வண்ணம் வேற, அதே மக்க வாழ்க்கை வேற, ஒண்ணு மட்டும் மாறவில்லை. மத்த நாட்டு சுவையெல்லாமே ஒத்த வேலை உடைய போல, சுத்தமான நம்மூர் சுவையோ ஆத்தா.
What about now? Playtime used to be an enjoyable time for youngster, indoor, outdoor and traditional games.
வெயிலோடு விளையாடி, வெயிலோடு உறவாடி, வெயிலோடு மல்லு கட்டி ஆட்டம் போட்டோமே. எண்டோரோ நறுவோரோ வெறுவேலங்காட்டோரோ அத்தான சுத்தி சுத்தி வட்டம் போட்டோம்.
However, nowadays there is no physical exercise which is a cause of concrete.
Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da.
So let's see how the school system has evolved over time and how teachers are appreciated.
Hey Mom! Look what I got on my math test! Wow! 90 out of 100! Good job, sweetie! Wait. Anvay, did you add a zero? No? I'm gonna ask you again. Did you add the zero yourself? No, Mom, I didn't add the zero.
What about now? Let's examine how they regret their moral values before the invention of the smartphones. Now, how do they consider their moral values?